Maglev vacuum pump independently developed by CIGU. Uses key technologies such as 5-degree of freedom magnetic bearing, high-power high-speed permanent magnet synchronous motor, high-efficiency centrifugal impeller, and dedicated control system, etc. When the vacuum pump is started, the rotor is stably suspended with the action of magnetic levitation bearings, and driven by a high-power high-speed permanent magnet synchronous motor. The high-speed rotating impeller sucks the wet air in the process system to the air-water separator. The liquid water is separated and then discharged by the filtration pump. Saturated humid air is compressed and then discharged into the ambient environment, forming a stable vacuum space in the system. Users can flexibly adjust the suction volume and vacuum degree of the pump by adjusting the motor speed to meet various process requirements. Equipped with magnetic levitation bearings, the Maglev vacuum pump is free of friction, lubricating oil, and mechanical maintenance, thus achieving higher efficiency. The motor stator is water-cooled and the rotor is air-cooled, which significantly improves the heat dissipation performance of the motor. Meanwhile, the fully enclosed motor design improves the protection level and better adapts to the field environment. The frequency converter is liquid-cooled with a cabinet-type air conditioner, which greatly enhances the stability of electrical components. The CIGU Cloud system provides remote operation and maintenance services, more convenient. Maglev vacuum pump can be widely used in papermaking, VPSA, alumina, power plants, chemical industry, and other industry field. According to field measurements, 40% to 70% energy saving can be achieved. Customer applications.